Hello everyone, we'll be taking a white sheet and then we'll be drawing a girl with the orange marker like this. Now make her hands. Now we have to make the hairs and legs of it like this. Now after that, we'll be making the umbrella over her like this. Make the clouds on the top like this with beautiful colors. Make the raindrops and your painting is almost done. Don't forget to make the water droplets like this on the downside and then put the watercolor by spreading the color like this and your painting is done. Next, take a color in the cup and put the soap and water like this. Now mix it, you will get the foam like this and then we'll be putting it over the sheets as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be making the stems and leaves like this and then put it with the red color. Draw the lines like this and your painting is almost done. You just have to put the dots with the black marker like this and it's almost done like this and it's done. Next we'll be taking a paper, so make its eyes, legs and the fingers like this. Make its mouth and then make the leaf trees like this and it's done. Next take the fruit foam net or the bubble wrap sheet and then put it like this to make the sheep. Now make its face, make its eyes and make the fence with the brown and white color paper and it's done. Next take the red and orange color paper and put them together like this. Put the bubble wrap sheet over it and then you have to make one more as such. Make their stems on the top, color it with the red color. Put the leaves and it's done. Next we have to take a paper, tear them like this, use different color papers and paste them like this in a line and then make more as such with the contrasting colors. Now take the green color marker to make the stems and leaves and it's done. Next we have to take a straw, cut it like this and then you have to spread it. Now take the color on it and then imprint it on the white sheet like this. Make more flowers in the same manner as shown in the video. Now after doing this, we'll be making more beautiful flowers like this as shown here. Now after that, we'll be taking the green color to make the stems and leaves. So after making the flowers like this, take the stems and leaves as shown in the video and then we have to make the leaves with the green marker and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the white color sheet and we'll be making the fish. So we have to roll the paper from the between like this. Now make a circle over it and then make the face and the fins and the tail of the fishes like this. Make its eyes and then we have to draw the line like this in the between and then make its body opening like this. Make the starfishes, crabs like this in the between. Now you can color it and it's done. Now you can use different colors of your choice here. It depends on you how you color it like this and it's almost done. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking the black color sheet and draw the lines with the marker like this over it to make a bouquet. So now make the lines very carefully as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be making the flowers over it. So now after drawing the lines, give it a finishing touch carefully. So now after that, we have to take multiple colors like this with the sponge and then you have to put them like this one by one. Keep putting it on the sheets like this. Now after that, we have to make a bow with the blue color like this and then draw the dots and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.